everyone, today in Q's Kitchen we are going to make crockpot chili, more like survival chili. So survival chili means put whatever you have in your cabinet in the crockpot. Basic chili is 2 cans of your favorite beans, 1 can of Rotel, and 1 jar of spicy, make sure it's the spicy spaghetti sauce. Next, we're going to add either 1 pound of chopped chicken, as I'm doing here, or 1 pound of chopped beef, whichever you like. Okay, got home, gonna be home just in time for the football game to come on, and look at that. There it is, all done. Just gotta give it a stir. A few little chunks of that. There's the ground chicken, and we're just gonna give it a stir. And oh yeah, this is done. And now I didn't have to cook when I came home after I worked all day. I can sit and enjoy the football game. And it's a great day for the first football game of the season, and we're gonna have some chili. I think I'm gonna put it on some tortillas. But you can, if you want, you can make rice and put it on top of rice, or you can put it on top of macaronis, whatever you like. But that, look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? Oh yeah. Just gonna lower it down to warm and be ready to go. Okay, so this is our survival chili. You can take your tortilla. I use the flour tortillas. These are Mission brand. We like those. Flour tortilla. And because this is survival, I just have regular old sliced cheese. We're gonna put a piece of sliced cheese on there. We're gonna put some chili right on the top. Oh, not too much. Put some chili right on the top. Joseph is going to test it out for us. A little bit of sour cream. Got Daisy sour cream. And there you go. But I'm going to take mine and I'm going to just put it right in the dish like this. I'm going to put it in the dish. And then I'm going to just, since this is survival chili, we're just going to take some yellow cheese, plain old yellow cheese. Put it on the top like that. And a little dollop of sour cream right on the top. And there you go, survival chili.